My name is Dr. Arnold Levine. I'm a professor at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. And all my life, all my scientific life, I studied cancer biology. First, I studied viruses that cause cancer, and then I switched into the cancers of human beings. And that's what I study now. If you think about it, this is from 1953 to now, 2019, 60, 70 years. The field now is approaching an understanding of medical problems for the first time. We really can, I think, translate from a laboratory and maybe even model systems in a laboratory to what's happening in a human being. And that's true at many, many levels. In this meeting that we're all at, we're trying to translate that information to people that have cancer. Right? And cancer, it turns out, are mutations or changes in that DNA molecule that we have inherited. Most of those changes occur after we're born over a lifetime. Cancer is a disease of the elderly because it takes a long time for the mutations to accumulate. And when we get 3 or 4 or 5 mutations in a single cell, that cell can start dividing and cause a cancer. Right? I actually started working in viruses because viruses were the simplest of organisms. In fact, the virus I worked with has 6 genes. Just 6 bits of information made this virus, and it was very simple. But what was complicated and what confused me was that if this virus was inoculated into a hamster, it would cause a cancer in the hamster or a tumor in the hamster. And so I wanted to know what gene caused the cancer and how did it do it. And that was the simplest system to do it with, right? And it was during that process, for 10 years we studied that process. It was during that process that we discovered that the protein, the gene that makes the protein that causes the cancer in the hamster, that's a viral gene, right? What do I like? I like the freedom. I enjoy asking questions that I want to ask, right? Sometimes they're a little bit nutty, the questions, but I really enjoy the freedom of moving in a direction that I think is important. And then sometimes you have to stop because it wasn't an important direction, and other times it just opens up something new.